Welcome to our English practice video. Today, we will listen to a story about a family. It is a Saturday morning. You will hear what they say to each other. This is a great way to learn daily English. Please listen carefully. You can also repeat the sentences to practice your speaking. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning. It is Saturday. The sun is shining. I like to wake up early on the weekend. My family is still sleeping. I go to the kitchen to make some coffee. My husband Tom is already there. He is drinking water. Good morning, dear. You are up early. Yes, I want to fix the chair before we go out. The small wooden chair. Oh, that is a good idea. Thank you. What do you want for breakfast? I think some toast and eggs would be nice. Okay, I can make that. Leo and Maya will like that too. Great. I will fix the chair now. It will only take a few minutes. I will start making breakfast. The kitchen is quiet and peaceful in the morning. I love this time of day. I get the eggs from the fridge. I put the bread in the toaster. It feels good to start the day like this with a simple plan. Now it is time to wake up the children. I go to my son Leo's room first. I open the door quietly. Leo, good morning. Time to wake up. He is under his blanket. 5 more minutes, Mum. No, Leo, it is already 8 o'clock. Breakfast is almost ready, but I am so sleepy. I know, sleepyhead. But we have a busy day. Okay. I am getting up. He smiles and stretches. Now, for my daughter Maya, I go to her room. Maya, sweetie, time to wake up. She is already awake. She is looking at her clothes. Good morning, Mum. I do not know what to wear. What about your new blue shirt? Oh, yes, that is a good idea. I will wear that with my white pants. You will look very nice. Now, come for breakfast. It is ready. Okay, Mum, I am coming. The kids are finally up. Our day can really start now. After breakfast, it is time to clean a little. The living room is a bit messy. Kids, can you please help me clean the living room? Leo looks at his toys on the floor. Do we have to? Yes, we do. Many hands make light work. It will be fast if we all helped. Maya starts picking up the cushions from the sofa. Okay, what should I do, Leo? Please put your toys in the big red box. Okay, Mum, Maya, can you put these books back on the shelf? Yes, I can do that. My husband Tom comes in to help too. He starts to wipe the small table. It is nice to see everyone working together. In just a few minutes, the living room looks clean and tidy. See, that was fast. Thank you for your help. Now we can relax a little before lunch. It feels good to have a clean space. Teamwork is the best. Soon it is lunchtime. I will make something simple today. Sandwiches are a good choice. I take out bread, cheese, and some lettuce. Tom, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Can you please wash the lettuce? Maya, can you get the plates? Leo, you can bring the forks. Everyone has a job. We work together to set the table. The table looks nice. The sandwiches are ready. They look yummy. Mum. Thank you. Leo. Let's eat. While we eat, we talk about our afternoon plan. Are we going shopping after lunch? Yes, we are. We need to buy some food for the week, and I need new shoes. Yes, Maya, we can look for shoes for you. Yay, I love shopping. Me too. Can I get a new game? We will see, Leo. First, we need to buy the important things. After lunch, it is time to get ready to go out. The sun is still shining. It is a beautiful day for a walk to the shops. Okay, everyone, are we ready? I have my bag. I have the shopping list. Tom, do you have the keys? Yes, keys are in my pocket. Good. Maya, are you ready? Yes, I am wearing my new shoes. They look great. Leo, did you go to the bathroom? Yes, Mum. All right then, let's go. We walk out the door and head to the car. The short drive to the town center is always fun. We sing a song together in the car. The kids are excited. I am happy that we are spending this time together as a family. It's these small moments that are the most special. Shopping can be fun when we are all together. Now it is time for some speaking practice. I will say a sentence. Please repeat it after me. Let's start. Good morning, dear. What do you want for breakfast? It is time to wake up the children. I do not know what to wear. Can you please help me clean? Let's talk about our afternoon plan. Do you have the keys? Thank you for practicing with us today. I hope you enjoyed our family story. Keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.